So we're here today on a Saturday morning in Bridgeland. It's late September, not too late, and we're going to be harvesting some hops. All right, watch your step, Jack. We got trees in the way. Nice. We're at the Sanders house in their backyard. They're away for the weekend. They agreed to let us in on their little hop extravaganza. They've never harvested these hops, never used them, but they are a beer variety, and we're just not sure which is which because we don't know them well enough. But what we've got is a car going by. I'll wait for that car to go by and listen for this. You don't move the camera. Watch this. So it's a really crinkly hop, and the parts are falling off. And we got that stuff there, lupidin or whatever it's called, yellow, really nice, really nice smell to it, nice and floral. So that's one of many hops that we're going to pick. These are the buds or flowers, and so we're going to use these for making beer, and maybe with a local craft brewer who might want to use these for a backyard brew project that he's got on the go. That's Village Brewery. Might happen. So here are the hops. Here are the vines. They're all looking pretty good. Maybe just walk over there and take some close-ups of the flowers and vines. And there's a lot. There's a lot there. It's looking pretty good. We're going to pick as much as we can, given our short day today. We've got stuff to do later in the day. And Charlie's got nap time, doesn't he? So let's try to pick as much as we can in an hour. And we'll make another video at that time. Okay, cut.